Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Prometheus for VPS monitoring setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Prometheus website. Locate the download section on the home page. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Download the installer file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your download folder. Extract the downloaded zip file. Open your terminal or command prompt. Change your directory to the location of the extracted Prometheus files. To configure Prometheus, locate the prometheus.yml file in the extracted folder. Open prometheus.yml in a text editor of your choice. Modify the configuration file to add your VPS details. In the scrape_config section, enter the target address of your VPS. Save the changes made to prometheus.yml. Return to your terminal. Run the Prometheus server by executing the command /prometheusconfig.file equals prometheus.yml. Verify that Prometheus is running by checking http://localhost 9090 in your web browser. Explore the Prometheus UI to confirm the target VPS is being monitored. If you see the target listed, your setup is successful. To start monitoring, ensure your VPS has the necessary exporters installed. Install Node_Exporter on your VPS for collecting system metrics. Start the Node_Exporter service on your VPS. Return to the Prometheus UI to view the metrics from the Node_Exporter. Your VPS monitoring setup with Prometheus is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.